Today we will classify the polynomials. Means we are going to get to know what are the types of the polynomials. So the classification of the polynomials can be done on the basis of degree and on the basis of number of terms. So on the basis of degree, we know the minimum degree can be 0. So whenever a polynomial has the degree 0, we say it is a constant polynomial. The general form of the constant polynomial can be written as px equals to a naught x to the power 0. So any real number other than 0 will be a constant polynomial. For example, px equals to 5, or it can be root 2, root 3, 1 by 3, 2.5, anything. So any constant number, any real number other than 0 is a constant polynomial because it has the degree 0. Now the second type on the basis of degree is the linear polynomial. It means whenever the polynomial is having the degree 1, that is the highest power contained in the polynomial is only 1, then you will say it is a linear polynomial. So here the general form of the linear polynomial is a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1. So here you can see the highest power is only 1. So the degree of the polynomial is 1, hence it is known as linear polynomial. Now moving to the quadratic polynomial. Whenever the polynomial will be having the degree 2, you will say it is a quadratic polynomial. Here the general form of the polynomial, the quadratic polynomial is a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2. The example can be x square plus 1, 1 minus root x, root 2x plus x square and so on. Means the highest power can be only 2. That type of polynomial is called as the quadratic polynomial. Now what is cubic polynomial? Cubic, again, if the degree is 3, then you will say it is a cubic polynomial. The general format can be written like this. And any example, you can write the polynomials example that can be has the highest power as 3. Now, what is biquadratic? Biquadratic, or you can say the quartic polynomial. Whenever it is having the degree 4, you will say the polynomial is biquadratic polynomial, or you can say the quartic polynomial. The general format of it is written here: a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube plus a4 x to the power 4. You already know a naught, a1, a2 and a3 and so on. These are the constants, or you can say the real numbers. And x naught, x1, x square, x cube and x to the power 4 are the variables with different power. But the highest power can only be 4. Then only you will say that it is a biquadratic polynomial. Now moving to the types of polynomial defined by the basis of number of terms. So whenever you will be having only one term in a polynomial, then you will say it is a monomial. Mono means one, and polynomial with a term only one, then it will be called as monomial. You can see the examples like 5x, 3x to the power 5, root 2x to the power 27, etc. are the polynomials with only one term. Now, the binomial, bi you already know, bi means 2. So, a polynomial having only two terms will be called as the binomial. Like x to the x plus 2, x square minus 1. All the polynomials with the two terms will be known as binomial. Now, moving to the trinomials. What are trinomials? A polynomial with the three terms. That will be called as the trinomial. You can see here the example is x to the x plus x to the power 5 by 3 minus 11 and so on. Now the quadrinomial, quadri means 4. So whenever you will be having 4 number of terms in a polynomial, you will say it is a quadrinomial. Now what is zero polynomial? Zero polynomial, you must have heard about it. So whenever you have a polynomial that is px equals to 0, that type of polynomial is called as a zero polynomial. And the most important thing about the zero polynomial is the degree of the zero polynomial is undefined, because you know 0 can be written as 0 into x to the power n, and n is a real number. N can be anything. So here you cannot you cannot fix any real number here. Therefore, the degree, the highest power you can say, of the polynomial px equals to 0 can't be defined, can't be fixed. So you say that the 0 polynomial has undefined degree. Hence, we can say that the degree of the 0 polynomial is undefined. One more thing that you should know, that every real number except 0 is a constant polynomial. I was telling you already that whenever you have the constant polynomial, it means px equals to some number into x to the power 0. So all the numbers except 0 are constant polynomials.